Since 1982, the Durger family has had a clear vision for Vinylmax windows. Every aspect of our business is firmly rooted in fast, friendly, reasonable, and reliable solutions that result in the highest quality windows and the best service in the industry. 35 years of growth guided by this vision has transformed Vinylmax into one of the top 100 window manufacturers in the United States. Our modern facility in Hamilton, Ohio uses the most sophisticated manufacturing equipment available to produce high-quality custom windows at warp speed.
Hi, I'm Craig. I'm Dave.
And I'm Laura. Welcome to Vinylmax.
As we embark on the next 35 years, Vinylmax is pleased to introduce the next wave of technology to guide our window solutions into the future. Let's take a look at Vinylmax's technology at work. Every window starts with a vision, Vinylvision. This industry-leading software drives the information and technology that Vinylmax uses to exceed its customers' expectations. Customer service can provide lightning-quick quotations with multiple options for comparison. Vinylvision allows us to configure elaborate grid patterns across multiple products with perfect alignment and spacing. Real-time tracking information shows when every step of the ordering, manufacturing, and shipping process have occurred. Thousands of insulated glass units are produced each day at Vinylmax. Cutting large sheets of glass into the required pieces while minimizing scrap has always been an important part of Vinylmax's technology. Vinylmax offers several types of Guardian Low-E glass to meet energy requirements in all climate zones in the USA. Intercept Spacer System from GED forms flat tin-plated steel ribbon into the patented single-piece U-channel spacer that boasts the best structural and seal integrity in the business. When grids are required, the Intercept Spacer has locking notches that hold the bars firmly and squarely in place. Vinylvision and GED software work together to provide seamless sequencing of glass and spacers to create our insulated glass units. The cut pieces of glass are sent through a washer that combines reverse osmosis, deionized water, special detergents, and a series of brushes and air dryers. The result is perfectly clean, smudge-free glass. While operators apply the Intercept Spacer to the clear glass, an innovative conveyor routes the Guardian Low-E glass directly into the GED automated assembly table. Since the Low-E is not touched, it remains fingerprint-free. The automated assembly table perfectly aligns the glass and spacer and sandwiches it together. Then the glass is shuttled into the heat press, where the seal is activated and adhered permanently to the glass. The final step is inserting safe, yet dense argon gas between the panes of glass. This sophisticated filling station ensures that each unit is filled with at least 90% gas to achieve maximum thermal performance. The final seal is applied to the glass unit, then it is routed to the proper window production line. Perfect coordination of glass and spacer across 9 production lines is more efficient than ever with Vinylmax's commitment to the best technology. Vinyl extrusions from our global partner Vecca are stored in racks of 21-foot lineals. Computer-controlled saws from Sturts make compound cuts to produce the exact sizes needed. Vinylvision and Sturts software optimize how the links are cut to minimize scrap and handling. As the pieces are cut, they are sorted into bins, with each bin representing one window. At the end of the cutting cycle, all the bins in the batch will be full. Fusion welding combines temperature and pressure to create a strong, solid corner joint in all of Vinylmax window frames and sashes. With our advanced sequencing technology, the Sturts welder knows the exact size of the pieces and the desired finish size of the window. The vinyl pieces are placed in the welder, often with multiple frames and sashes being processed at the same time. Heater plates pop in between each corner joint, heating the edges of the vinyl to a precise temperature for a predetermined length of time. Then the plates retract and the equipment pushes the heated edges together, forming a solid corner joint. The automated equipment then shuttles the completed frame or sash to the corner cleaner. The corner cleaner employs robotic arms, knives, and grinders to remove all traces of the weld flashing from internal chambers of the vinyl. The software tells the corner cleaner exactly which areas and surfaces of the vinyl need attention. Vinylmax not only tracks progress through the manufacturing process, but provides visual information to ensure the product is manufactured to the customer's specifications. After the hardware is applied, the pre-sequenced glass units are installed in the sashes. Vinylvision is vital at final assembly. It gives the operator a full picture of what the window should look like so that quality checks are easy to complete. Once the window passes visual inspection, barcode tracking automatically removes the inventory used in that window from our stock. The system works directly with our partners like Vecca to replenish the stock we use each day without time-consuming cycle counts. The final assembly station also produces the NFRC Energy Ratings label for each completed window. The automated packaging system wraps the product to protect it from dirt and damage, and a shipping label is applied to route the window to one of the dozens of trucks that leave Vinylmax. We aren't finished yet. Technology is vital to logistics and getting Vinylmax windows into the hands of its customers. Barcode technology ensures that windows are loaded onto the correct truck, in the right order, and that the truck doesn't leave without all its product. And based on the number of windows and number of stops, Vision helps us more accurately inform our customers of when to expect their shipment of Vinylmax windows. Vinylmax Web Center will bring all this power directly to Vinylmax customers. From anywhere on the web, on any connected device, Vinylmax customers will be able to quote, order, track, and analyze. What is at the center of our technology at Vinylmax? Our customers. Our customers want the best quality and the best service from their window supplier. We are continually investing in our customers by investing in technology. We will always strive to be your window solutions company.